Do you want to make a poll on Instagram post? You can create a poll in an Instagram post with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to make a poll on an Instagram post. Just watch this video till the end. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Creating a poll in an Instagram post allows you to engage with your audience in a dynamic way. You can ask a question in your regular post and provide multiple options for your followers to choose from. Followers can then vote on the options provided directly within the Instagram app. To add a poll in an Instagram post, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. At the top of your profile, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it to create a new post. A pop-up menu appears. From here, select Post. Now, choose the photo that you want to post on Instagram from your device's gallery. After selecting the photo, tap on the Next button located at the top right corner of the screen. If you want, you can apply filters and add music to your photo before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, tap on Next. Below the photo, you'll see a text box where you can add a caption or a poll. Tap on this text box. Please note that if the poll feature is not available for your account, you may need to update your Instagram app to the latest version or wait for the feature to be rolled out to your region. If the poll option is available for your account, you'll see it as an option when you tap on the text box. Tap on the poll button to create a poll for your Instagram post. Add your poll question in the question field and add up to 4 options for respondents to choose from. Once you've entered your questions and options, tap on the checkmark icon or Done button to finalize your poll. After creating your poll, tap on the Share button to post your photo with the poll to your Instagram account. Your followers and friends will be able to see the poll at the bottom of the image in your post. They can then vote on the options provided. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.